how to withdraw from TapSwap. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, first of all, you will have to connect your wallet on TapSwap. For this, open up TapSwap, then click on the option of connect wallet at the top right hand side corner. Now select any particular wallet that you have in your device. Simply select that particular wallet. For me, I will select Binance wallet. Now it will redirect me to Binance. Just wait for it to load and after that accept it. And this is the kind of pop-up it will give. Simply click on confirm. After that, get back to TapSwap. It might decline your connection if you don't have Binance Web3 wallet directly, so it's better to connect with your Telegram wallet as you already have Telegram. Then click on connect wallet and this is how you would be able to connect. Now whenever the airdrop comes in, these coins will be directly withdrawn to your wallet that you have connected, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.